Hello, traders out there in Trader Land. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Monday, March 28th, 2011, and the markets have dropped as expected. If you listen to the weekend edition, I had the opinion that maybe and perhaps to be looking forward to a market drop on Monday, maybe Tuesday, and then probably a nice rally going into the rest of the week. And I will explain yet again why I believe that. But first, let's get to some market data here. We have the Dow down 0.2%, the S&P down 0.3%, the Nasdaq down 0.45%, the Russell's down 0.27%. You have the banks here dropping 0.45%, VIX up quite a bit, over 8.5%, volatility index way high, fear indicator starting to spike. Commodities take a hit. Gold down 0.5%. US dollar barely down. And then you have the crude down 1.8%. We have crude right now down below $104 per barrel. And here we are. Take a look at the daily chart on the S&P. Big drop, a rally, a nice rally at that. We come up, tag that trend line. Same one we hit on Friday, tagged it, come dropping here. So we have kind of a tweezer top type formation, but we definitely have what's called a bearish engulfing pattern. You can go to the chart school there at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, click on bearish engulfing, and you'll read all about it and see a big picture on what these things look like. But that doesn't bode too well for what's to come tomorrow. We close near the day's low, and we have a trend line here that could act as some support, but we have the 50 and 20 day moving averages that can also act as support. But I'm going to bring in also the Dow. Here is the Dow. Big drop, big rally. Much like the S&P, we have this trend line. We smacked yet again. We have a bearish harami, and you can click on bearish harami and look at what that looks like and things. And we close near the day's low here, so things are looking pretty grim. You could also call this a shooting star formation. So click on bearish harami in the chart school and also shooting star in the chart school, and you'll see what these things are all about. But we have this resistance at 12,272. And that's that line to swing high here. There's shadows there. That's precisely where we're at right now. Here is the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq rising wedge breaks down into a bear flag. Bear flag breaks down into a V bottom. We rally high here. And we get above, barely though, above the 50-day. Now the S&P and Dow are quite a ways away from the 50-day moving average. However, we have relative weakness here on the Nasdaq. Nasdaq gave us a shooting star on Friday, and also today we have this big, gnarly, bearish engulfing pattern closing near the day's low, big sell-off, so it looks like we have some more sell-off to take place tomorrow. Tomorrow, all eyes will be on the markets due to what we're expecting here. And here's the Russells. Russells rally, 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 rally. This is called a bearish thrusting pattern. It is not a dark cloud cover, as some might think. And we have a lower high, but we still have a higher low on the Russells. But nonetheless, we do have a weaker bearish reversal pattern in the making, but quite a bit a ways here from the 20 and the 50-day moving average. Now, if I were to bring in the weekly here, and I'm going to also bring in the S&P weekly, you can see this big nice pullback here. I do expect Monday to be bearish. This is what I was saying in the weekly or the weekend edition, and maybe Tuesday to find the sessions low for the week, but then I do see it rallying throughout the rest of the week. However, anything can happen. This could be a failed bull pullback. This thing could fall apart right now. My opinions will not make you any money. And I don't trade off of my opinions. I play what I see. It's just fun. I know the ears out there, the inquiring minds want to know, and that's why a lot of you listen. You want to know my opinions, but I'm telling you straight up, do not add trades, put on trades, or take off trades based off of someone's opinions. Not Jim Cramer, not the Fast Money Boys, not me or anybody else here in the internet world. It is so important that you be a rock solid trader, that you are trading what it is that you are seeing based off of rule sets that you have as a trader. Make sure you have a trading plan in place. You have to have that. If you're just getting started, go to the 101 courses. Take those, are free to you. Once you get through those, take those 201s. And I have a website or a webinar coming up here on April 5th. It's an evening deal. It's 30 minutes. I'll be teaching the second part of the 101s. Hope you can join us. All you have to do is click on calendar there in the website and get RSVP'd, and it will give you an email reminder when that day's to come. Take care. Safe trading to each and every one of you.